Now, let's shift gears and talk about agile product development, something that has completely transformed how we build products nowadays. Agile isn't a buzzword anymore, it is about mindset and methodology behind many of the world's most successful products, from your favorite mobile apps to SaaS platforms. At its core, Agile is about responding to change, delivering value faster, and collaborating closely with customer and teams. It is a departure from the old school build it all, launches it once approach. Think of it like this: instead of building a ship over 3 years and hoping it will float, Agile says, let's build a raft, test it, and upgrade it to boat and eventually a ship with real feedback at each and every step. So, what guide Agile? Let's look at the principles behind it. These 12 principles came from Agile Manifesto, and they are the foundation of Agile thinking and practices across Scrum, Kanban, SAFe, and other frameworks. Let's break them down. The first is customer satisfaction through early and continuous delivery. Get value to the customer early and often. Don't wait until everything is perfect. Ship fast, learn fast. Even I would say fail fast. You will be able to pivot and understand. Right? We can see one example of Gmail. Right? They launched beta version, they pass it to customer. That was a limited feature and keep evolving through user feedback. Second is changing requirement. So welcome changing requirement. Instead of resisting change, embrace it. The change is reality nowadays. Even late in the development, you will get some change, market change, sometimes customer evolve. Your process should allow for that changes. Third one is frequent delivery. Deliver working software or working product regularly. Whether it's a weekly or bi-weekly, this keeps momentum and ensures constant validation with the users. Do not wait, like if ship will be ready in that 3 years, do not wait till that. Deliver, take the feedback and work on that. Collaboration. The fourth one is collaboration. Work daily with business and tech folks. No silos. The business and the tech people should work together. Shared understanding leads a better product. The fifth one is motivated individuals. Trust your team. Give them a psychological safe environment. Give them what support they require, and they'll deliver the magic. Right? Face to face conversation. The most efficient form of communication is still human interactions. Even in a remote world, we have a tools like Zoom, Miro, Slack, Teams to collaborate and communicate each other's. Right? So face-to-face conversation is still very important. Seventh one is working software. So you can consider it like for any product basically, because these are written in terms of the software, but working software or working product is a primary measure of the progress, not documentation. In the waterfall era, what was happening, if you have completed documentation, your 25% is done. No, that's not the reality. Whatever is working, that percentage, that work is done. That is the your measure of the product. If that's working, then it counts. If it's not working, then it not count. Sustainable development. Agile is not for a short-term team. It's a long-term association. Teams should work at a constant pace they can maintain indefinitely. No heroics. If there will be heroics, team will be burned out. You cannot expect the heroics at each and every time. Just consistent and sustainable progress is the key. The ninth one is continuous attention to technical excellency. Quality isn't an afterthought, it is baked into the process. From the very beginning. Refactoring, testing, automation all contribute to technical agility. The 10th one is simplicity. Do the simplest thing that works. Focus on, I need to solve one problem. What is the simplest thing which will solve this problem? Do not try to overcomplicate the solution. Avoid over engineering. Keep it lean and simple. Self-organizing team. Agile teams decide how to get the work done. You don't need a boss telling it each every step. You do this, and you do this. The team have a shared goal, shared responsibility, and team in collaboration will execute. Last but not least, regular reflection and adjustment. Even you are doing all 11 principles in a nicer way, but still always there will be a chance of improvement. So at regular interval, the team reflects on the what working for them, what is not working for them, and what are the action need to be taken. Think about the retrospectives, one of the most powerful agile tool for improvement. To wrap up this section, also this chapter, these principles aren't just theory, they are practical guardrails that shape modern product development. With that, we are done with this section and the chapter as well. In the next chapter, we will deep dive more into the ideation and inceptions, and we will discuss and see what kind of tools and techniques can be utilized to thrive in that dimension. So stay tuned. Looking forward for the next chapter.